Welcome everybody. Brian here from T-sportline coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters, and today I've got another PPF installation on this Tesla Cybertruck. And I'm hoping while we do this video that the clouds are going to come in, the sun is going to shine, and you're going to enjoy all of the benefits of this gloss iridescent unicorn PPF. It's one of our more psychedelic type PPF wraps. You can see it now, and when it's in the shade, it's kind of a silver gray look, but as the sun comes out and depending on the angle you get, it's a full spectrum. From here, I'm seeing some metallic green. If I move out like this, I get a deep maroon, maybe a blue metallic. There's silver up here. I see some red shades. It just literally blows your mind as you look at it. One of our more popular colors from TMaxx, and it is full PPF. It's not just a vinyl wrap. We've gone through this before, but once again, difference between vinyl and PPF. The vinyl is going to give you the color change, but it's not going to be as durable as PPF. PPF is a TPU material. It's self-healing. It's going to last a little better. It's going to live better with scuffs and scratches. And if you get a little rock ding or something like that, it's self-healing. So within reason, the PPF is self-healing and it just lasts a little better than straight up vinyl. But hey, if you want vinyl, we've got that too. We've got literally almost 1,000 colors, different types of shades, finishes, metallic, gloss, satin, whatever you want, we've got it. But this one here, this psychedelic color, iridescent unicorn from TMaxx, still one of my favorites. And I can see the sun is moving, clouds are coming in here. We're gonna have some B-roll so you can really see how this looks, but one of my favorites. So let me know, thumbs up for the video, drop a comment below, let me know what you think of this color. What color do you wanna see from us next? We've got a lot of Cybertrucks rolling through. They're back on track in 2025, and I can't wait to show you more. So subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.